Hello. Nothing too exciting today. I just want to mess around with twisting some tubing. Normally, thin tube would collapse tightly close to the point where being twisted. I want to insert a rod when twisting and see if that will make it more uniform. But I also want to be able to remove the rod. We'll see. I want to give a very big shout out to Jerry S. Hodges for coming through with yet another very generous donation. He's been a true patron to the channel. It doesn't start as planned, but once my twisting wrench gets some bite, it's okay. And I forgot to get my vise in position so it doesn't do that. The twist, though short, is very consistent. I'll try this again, but this time without the rod. I'm all over the place today. I think I had too much coffee or something. So as you can see, it binds very tightly right where being twisted. But that tight twist could have an advantage. I'll finish this out and make a piece of wrapper candy. You can hear those birds screeching in the background. They're driving me absolutely bananas today. These gray tree pies are in the crow family, and you really know it when they open their big mouths. They won't stop until I feed them, or until I'm dead. So here they are, the piece of wrapper candy and the uniform twist. Catch you guys next time.